Hi friends, today I'm going to share you a new video on the my new topic, that is the TPM. And TPM is known as you know, that is total productive maintenance. So I think this video is much more related with the manufacturing industries, people working in manufacturing industries, and doing engineering in the mechanical stream. So this topic will be very helpful for the people working in these domains. So TPM is one of the lean manufacturing tool, uh, and these are having lot of benefits that the people can reap from by implementing this tool in manufacturing industries. And this concept was originally originated from Japan, and it has spread across the worldwide due to its large benefits. So today I will share some of the highlights of the TPM. I will not go in much of the details for each pillars. So, but this is the introductory session, and this will be helpful to all the people working in the manufacturing domain. And in my further videos, I will share you the details of the TPM pillars. So I'm going to start this session by sharing my screen. So I will start with the motives of TPM. So what are the motives of TPM? As you can see on the screen, that first is the adoption of life cycle approach for improving the overall performance of production equipment. So as in the manufacturing industries, there are so many production equipments that are installed in the production shop floor, and that is being used by the manufacturing operators on the line or on the shop floor. So to improve the overall performance of the production equipment and enhance the life of the equipment, that this TPM can be adopted in that. And second is the improving productivity by highly motivated workers, which is achieved by job enlargement. So in this, by implementing this TPM, that we can improve the productivity levels. So, and by engaging all the workers, and the people will get highly motivated by doing this activity. And third is the use of voluntarily small group activities for identifying the cause of failure, possible plant and equipment modifications. So in this, basically in TPM concept, team needs to initiate much of the small group activities to improvise to identify the causes of failures, and do the necessary improvement activities. So these are some of the motives of TPM. And so next is the uniqueness of TPM, why it is unique, and what the things that differentiate from other concepts. So the major difference between TPM and other concept is that the operators are also made to involve in the maintenance process. So if we talk about the traditional maintenance process, so in that, if some production equipment is getting failed, or is under breakdown, then the production operator handovers the machine or equipment to the maintenance department, to the maintenance operators. Uh, so there is a different roles for the production as well as the maintenance. But in this concept TPM, the production operators are made responsible to fix to do the maintenance activity. So like in the the concept of I, that is production operators operate, and U, that is maintenance department fix, is not followed. So whoever working on the manufacturing or working on the equipment and the production equipment needs to own the maintenance activity in this TPM concept. So that is a uniqueness of TPM that differentiates from the traditional maintenance process. So what are the different TPM objectives? So first is the achieve zero defects and zero breakdown, zero accidents in all functional areas of the organization. So it's zero in defects, zero breakdown, zero accidents in all functional areas of the organization. Second is involve people in all levels of organizations, because in any manufacturing industry, you will see it is people oriented, machine oriented. So it's critical. If we are talking about the machines, the people are also important in that, and it is very complex to judge the human mind. So involving people in all levels of organization, that is one of the motive of TPM. And third is we form different teams to reduce defects and self-maintenance. So in this, it's a team work culture encouragement in this. So various teams are formed to reduce defects and self-maintenance. So these are the three TPM objectives. So what we will get benefit from by implementing TPM. So first ultimate benefit that we will get, that increase productivity and overall plant efficiency by 1.5 or 2 times, that our productivity and overall plant efficiency will improve by 1.5 to 2 times significantly. Second is the rectify customer complaints. So there will be reduction in customer complaints also. Reduce manufacturing cost by 30%, because if we are improving the productivities and reducing the customer complaints, rejections, then ultimately the manufacturing cost will go down. And the stats, whatever shown is here, is 30% that we can reduce the manufacturing cost by implementing TPM. Another is satisfy the customer needs by 100%, delivering the right quantity, the right time, and the right quantity. And another is reduce accidents, and also we'll be able to measure pollution control, follow pollution control measures. So these are the direct benefits of TPM. So along with the direct benefits, there are some of the indirect benefits of the TPM also. So like one is a higher confidence level among employees will be there, and keep the workplace clean, neat, and attractive. By implementing this, the workplace always will be clean, neat, and attractive, and there will be favorable change in the attitude of operators. Achieve goals by working as a team, horizontal deployment of a new concept in all the areas of the organization, and sharing knowledge and experience. Workers get a feeling of owning the machine. So these are the indirect benefits. A lot of indirect benefits of TPM are there. And so I have explained about the motives, objectives, direct benefits, and the indirect benefits. So now come to how it operates. So what is the architecture of TPM? So TPM architecture is basically, it is on the 8 pillars, and it is having the 8 objectives. So I will not go deep dive in this session. So I will make another separate video for these pillars. So I will give you the overview in this session. The first pillar is the autonomous maintenance, and it is English name, and in Japanese, as it is originated from Japan, so there is a Japanese name, that is Jitsu Hosen. So as I earlier said, in this, operators are involved, production operators are involved in doing self-maintenance. So it is basically self-maintenance. What they do, that to eliminate equipment failure and speed losses resulting due to forced deterioration and hard to access areas of the machine. So in this, operators do 1S, 2S, and fill the CLIRT, that is cleaning, lubrication, inspection, retightening sheet, and they during 1S and 2S activity, they identify the hard to access areas of the machine and the force deterioration, so they need to identify the abnormalities in the machine itself. So, and tagging of the abnormality at the area where the problem is there, and 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 for the actions that it communicates to the respective person clearly. So this is autonomous maintenance, and second is the individual improvements, that is Kovetsu Kaizen. So in this, to eliminate production losses due to, so because there we know that there are different type of losses, and it has been defined in 16 type of losses, like setup change, tool change, startup speed, motion loss, line organization, logistics, yield, and energy loss. So in this, focused improvement projects are being taken by the machine owners or machine operators or a team. So they do focused improvement activities. For a setup change, like they do SMED projects, like single minute exchange of dies. So these type of projects they do under this pillar. So, and third one is the planned maintenance, PM. So to eliminate losses due to equipment failure, breakdown, shutdown losses, through MTTR, mean time to repair. So, and MTBF, mean time between failure, TBM, time-based maintenance, condition-based maintenance. So these are the key KPIs of the maintenance, basically MTTR, MTBF, and so in this, this ownership basically lies with the maintenance department, and they do the planned maintenance, not the occasional maintenance or incidental maintenance. They do the planned maintenance. All the machines are covered of the shop floor, and there are some regular interval planned maintenance, uh, and also it is categorized in the condition based maintenance wherever it is applicable. So next pillar is the quality maintenance, that is QM, that is owned by the quality department. It is to developing perfect machine for perfect quality and eliminating in process defects and customer complaints. So next is the office TPM. So it is related with to eliminate losses due to management systems and decisions, and offices oriented for excellent support for manufacturing, improving office maneuver efficiency. As the uh, manufacturing industries, in manufacturing industries, there are so many departments, and the key department is, suppose there is a manufacturing department, and there are some other indirect supporting departments are also there who are working in offices, like finance and the planning function, or stores function. So there engineering functions, there are many functions, management functions. So there are different systems and procedures. So to eliminate the losses, to eliminate the production losses, and to improve the productivity, there are some procedures are there. So to eliminate losses, so this TPM pillar, this office TPM pillar takes care about that. Next is sixth pillar is the education and training, E&T pillar. It works on the skills development for uniformity of work practices on machines, skills for zero accidents, zero breakdowns, and zero defects, multi-skilled employees in all departments. So their main function is to have skill development programs in the machines and the production area, and having a training set of trainings to the new people also, so that this pillar takes care of that. Next is safety, health, and environment, SHE, and the motive is to achieve zero accidents, zero health hazards at work environment, and to maintain zero pollution plant and environment. Next is the development management, DM. That is regarding the developing new machines for high OE, overall equipment efficiency, and the quick process for developing new product, reduction in lead time for delivery, and cost of equipment. So in this important point is that, so some new products that has to be launched in the new year, or like for a cost reduction BAV, or some for the market competitiveness, then quick processes should be there and lead time should be less. So this particular pillar takes care about that. So these are the 8 pillars on which TPM governs, and these are excellent pillars. And every department working in the company or a manufacturing company needs to own these pillars, and based on the principle of these pillars, they need to work and achieve the objectives, motives, and benefits of the this concept. Hope you guys uh, have learned a lot from this video, and I will share you in detail for all these pillars in my next video sessions. Thanks a lot for watching this. Okay.